Hello and welcome to another video on our channel. Look at what's going on. This is crazy. We're going so far away. We're here for the lights. Christmas lights at Spruce Meadows. Yeah, and I have to go left. I guess the guy on the left is before me, so I'm gonna wait for him. And so this is the exit. Previous years this was the entrance here. Now that's the exit. I guess this is very popular. This line up here is for this, and it is very, very long. Let's see how long it takes us to get there. 20 minutes to here, almost like 17 or 18 minutes to get to here from way over there where the traffic light is. I don't know if you can see that, it's too far away. We've been moving very, very slowly. In previous years this was the exit here, and I don't think there were any lights. I'll have to check other videos at the end. Other videos we would have been traveling the other direction. But I think the lights finish way over there where the parking lot is. There is a walkway according to this. And we can put him in the stroller, walk around a little bit. If he wakes up we can let him walk. Because if we just drive through, we're gonna see everything. What's here? Let's see if there are any parking spots in the parking lot. It's a big parking lot though, I think. Can hold a lot of people. Oops. Follow the lights. Spruce Meadows. We haven't moved a whole lot. Barely moving here. Enter here. Okay, I can see that. I didn't see the parking lot. I see parked cars. We'll see if there's parking spots. Their here sign is pretty funny. It tells you go into the woods. Arrows pointing right at the woods. Yeah, I guess we're going in there. Funny thing is, people are leaving. Oh, I see a lot of parking spaces. Because I'm looking for parking and I'm gonna hit the car in front of me. Okay. We're usually driving a bit faster here in previous videos, and the other way on the other side right there. Yeah, going the other way this time. So we're gonna have to go around this roundabout, and then we can go on the other side and park. Coming back here would be a bit of a challenge after. Yeah.
Last time it doesn't have like
the tank is here though. I have pictures with this tank. I don't think it had lights at the time when I had pictures with this tank.
you watch.
Yeah, I'm watching. I am watching.
Especially those people.
Yeah, now we're usually on the this side anyway, so this is how we normally drive here. Okay, we're gonna go in the parking lot. Okay, we're at the parking lot and it took us half an hour to get here. Still lots of lineup. We'll have to join them later to drive around the whole thing. But first we're gonna walk. Baby? He's not really asleep. Yes, his eyes open.
Oh, there's a bus. Oh, Nene. Oh, this is the Nene.
The UK flag.
You see?
Be careful, love.
You good? Hmm? Yeah, no, it's cold.
So their face is going to be dark.
It's interesting on the cars.
Yeah, baby, you like the cars? You don't like the lights?
Oh, there's more Nene. We're going around here?
Yeah, we can go and check them out.
Nene.
It looks interested to walk, you know. They do have some stuff to eat. I mean, like they get chili. I don't know what else. I can go check. Do you think the baby's gonna eat something?
Yeah, fries
They're cookies.
or something bread that's soft.
Okay, I'll go check. Do you wanna come in or?
No, just check.
Okay. I'll check what they have. Let's get the thing.
What do you see in the menu?
The menu, they have hot dog, they have bratwurst, so it's mostly like German stuff. There's chili. It's like kind of like cooked food. It's not really. Do we have to pay to ride this or? Do we have to pay to ride this or?
It's just there.
Oh, it doesn't go anywhere. It just sits here.
Thank you.
You want to go down, play?
You wanna go around? Yes, he wants.
You take care of him.
Okay.
Chicka 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 chicka. It's not moving. It's not moving, love.
Are you going anywhere? Oh, baby. You like it here? Yes. You enjoying yourself?
This is your hook. Well, yeah, you're gonna live here forever?
Hello? Does anybody know?
Let's go. Huh? Let's go, baby. Philip. No, you don't want to go?
I'm gonna go for it. One person go. It's gonna be a one of a kind. It's gonna be very interesting.
Philip, let's go.
Philip, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, come on. No, no. Come on,
Let's go, let's walk.
Come on.
Go to daddy. We will walk.
Come on.
Finally, he's out. Are you not hungry? Oh, where are we going, daddy? Oh, penguin.
He's gonna go back to the.
Yeah, you need to carry him. Under the... It's in the zoo, right? What's that? It's the penguin! The penguin! Under that thing circle, what you call that? Christmas balls.
Let's go a little bit far away.
Oh, there's a lot of horses.
Huh? a walkway. You can walk down.
It's
Over
too
there.
much, Daddy, for the baby to walk down.
Okay. Let's see where baby wants to go. Baby. Okay. Daddy's gonna help you to get here. Over the hills. Yeah.
You know the place. You know.
I think he remembers where the train is. Yeah, he knows where the train is.
Daddy, there's a string there. Daddy.
Oh, there's no standing. On the other side. What do you say, cheese?
You gonna take picture, Daddy?
Yes.
Wait for your turn. Why? What's wrong? Okay, your turn now, your turn. Okay, go, your turn. Oh, dali, oh, your turn. Dali, dali, dali. Up. Stand up.
Yes, it was.
Oh, turn, look, turn. Give Papa. Look at Papa. Give Papa. He doesn't want. He just like the lights.
Yeah, he wants to appreciate. He doesn't want the picture. What you doing? What you doing? There is a parking lot up there. We can go up here. I can help you with the.
Let's just walk around.
Mama wants to hold.
It's cold, right? Oh, don't touch. Do not touch. Come here, come here. Oh.
Baby.
Don't go on the ice. You're on the side.
Drive through now. Food, actually I'm surprised that there's good food here. There's pizza and those bratwurst, some chili, hot dogs. And yeah, it's actually not bad at all. I guess I made a mistake I ate before coming here, so next time we should actually eat here. Tank. We actually turned a little last time we went to the parking lot over there, so this is where we walked on the side. I don't know if you can see this, but baby's eating the sausage and he loves it. And the hot dog. I didn't get the bratwurst, but next time. So baby likes it so much that he doesn't want anybody else to eat the sausage. Well, the bratwurst is even better. I can guarantee you that. But the bratwurst is bigger too. It's big.
What kind of sausages?
They said jumbo hot dog. So. Baby was amazed with the lights. With the butterfly over there. Butterfly. The Christmas market here, I guess. On this stands? I don't know. Yeah, Christmas market is over. We didn't come. They do have a Christmas market here, but like they have the blue wine or whatever it's called, the German wine that they do for Christmas. Yeah, they have lots of stuff. And this guy stopped with the BMW with the lights. Not allowed to stop. Yes, he is, because he's an attraction. Technically, we never walked in this area, because we were way back over there where we ate. Where we bought the food, we didn't really eat there. Big Christmas tree where the train is. The train that the baby really liked. Right there we were. And we're almost on our way out here. Almost done. We got up to here, right on this balcony over there, and balcony or whatever it is, terrace, deck. Pretty much done here, but yeah, usually previous years we were driving the opposite way, and this is where it actually started. So there's a bus stop somewhere here, or maybe right there where the house is. Yeah, pretty much out. That's the end. That's it. So this is our video of Spruce Meadows Christmas lights. Thank you very much for spending the time, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.